Mofokeng finding those pockets with ease. Kota more central this time. He'll go for goal. What a strike that is! What a blistering goal from Kota! It's a beautiful brace on a beautiful Champions League night, it seems, for Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates have been absolutely sleek and ravenous tonight. And the newest Buccaneer sensation, Mohaun Kota, will grab the headlines with that goal. The audacity, the confidence, and the precision is just simply astounding. Just try and stop that if you can, which you can't. What a goal. What a night it's turning out to be for Mohaun Kota and Orlando Pirates.